Yeah, time's running out. So if you're interested in gator hole, which has been a regional phenomenon, it seems like, and maybe even beyond that. I mean, I've gotten calls from folks hours away wanting to know, what the access points are, when is it going to be available, when's it not going to be available, and stuff like that. So, I mean, we've got the last leg of construction going on as far as the concrete work scheduled for this Thursday. The handrails that are going onto the footers are ordered. We don't have a, real good determination as far as delivery on that. But I mean, I'd say if you're coming this weekend, you better come on, because it's going to be winding down. And whenever we do receive the materials and we get everything put in, the concrete work's done, we're going to be reaching out to all the local media outlets. We're going to be doing the county Facebook page. I'll be using my personal page on many of the Facebook spring sites, and trying to get the word out. We'll be trying to make sure all the property owners are aware. We're going to set a drop dead date when the water's going to start bringing back up. That way they can make preparations for their own properties, as well as people that are planning trips to come and know that that's no longer an option. So we are not completely finished. We are in the final stages of construction. We do have two items left on the punch list that'll include some additional concrete work kind of at the bottom of the base of these semicircle steps that'll help people get in and out a little bit easier. The platform was built up a little higher than we needed it, so we're building an extra step to help folks that need it to get up onto the platform before they can get to the steps. And then also kind of at an angle here where I'm standing on all three platforms, we'll be putting handrails. So obviously once we get the bases to the handrails, we'll be able to secure those to the concrete footer, and then once that section is done, we'll be able to start bringing up the water.
So you're standing